Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up Face Unlock and Fingerprint on your REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. So first of all, let's open Settings on this device and then scroll down to Security and Privacy section. In this section we're gonna have to select Device Unlock. And then first of all, we're gonna have to add a screen lock to add face and fingerprint unlock. So let's select screen lock, then select one of the screen lock types. For example, pattern. Tap next, and then draw a pattern or enter a password twice to confirm your choice. After that, tap done. And will be immediately offered to add a fingerprint unlock feature. So let's tap enable, then agree, and then before we add a new fingerprint to our device, let's wipe the surface of the smartphone screen using a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel. Also ensure that your fingers are dry. Tap add fingerprint and then start firmly pressing the circle on your screen, filling the image of the fingerprint step by step. And once the fingerprint is added, tap done, and then we can add a face model too by tapping add right here. Now before we do that, let's make sure that we can clearly see our the face in the screen in the camera, as the frontal camera may be blurry or the lights may be just way too dry, and this way the phone will not be able to recognize the face. So let's make sure that we can clearly see our face in the camera and tap add, agree, then tap add now and look directly at your smartphone's camera for a couple of seconds until your face is enrolled. Then we can tap done, and from now on we'll be able to start using both methods to unlock this smartphone. So if you want to unlock your device with a fingerprint, put your device on the lock screen and then press the fingerprint scanner with your fingertip. And if you want to unlock your device using face recognition, just look at your device's screen directly. Sometimes these features won't work instantly, and in such case you're gonna have to restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time, and then swiping the circle to the top to restart your phone before you can start using these features. Also, before continuing, I highly recommend going to System and Update menu in Settings and checking for the available software updates. Of course, to check for the software updates, you're gonna need a network connection, which I currently don't have. And so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.